What's up, guys? This is Triton Solarballs, and today, yes, we're gonna watch Solarballs the movie 3, Part 4. There is Part 5 also. There's many parts. So, yeah. So, next time we watch, it's like Saturn forgot every planet, every moon, his moons, except for Triton. So, let's go.
Not only am I your biggest moon, I'm the second biggest moon in the solar system. In fact, I'm even bigger than Mercury. Which makes no sense why they don't treat us as equals. Anyways, I also have a bunch of lakes made up of methane, making me the only other celestial body to have stable liquids on my surface other than Earth. Oh, Titan! Oh, nice. But I can't wait to hear about the rest. Next up, Rhea.
Hi, I'm Rhea, Saturn's second largest moon. While my exterior can be pretty icy and very easy to approach, I also have oxygen in me, making me the only other entity in the solar system to have oxygen in their atmosphere. I really do hope we become good friends, Saturn.
Of course, Rhea. Yes, Rhea. It'll be my honor.
Thanks.
So far, so good. How many are left?
146, unless we discover more in the time we do this whole presentation.
Oh, okay. Excited. Hey, my name's Iapetus. I'm your third largest moon. Earth's humans call me the yin and yang of the moons because half of my surface is dark as cold because of reflectivity.
I'm Dio. I'm your fourth largest moon. Like Rhea, I'm primarily composed of water and ice. But unlike Rhea, you can say I'm icy inside and out. The distance I have between you is very similar to Earth and his moon. But that's where the similarities end.
Hello. I'm Tethys, your fifth largest moon, Saturn. Fun fact about me is that I have the lowest density of all the major moons in the solar system. That's why I get carried away pretty easily. Wait, how do you spell your name again? I'm Enceladus. Enceladus! I'm your sixth largest moon, and I'm also your brightest moon. I have a few spots on me that spray water vapor and ice particles, so best not to get on my bad side or else. I'm Mimesh, your seventh largest moon and the last of your major moons. I might be the smallest of the bunch, but this crater on my face shows how tough I am. My surface is one of the most heavily cratered surfaces on the solar system, which is why Earth humans call me the Death Star. I heard it from some sci-fi flick. Yeah, I've heard something about those movies. I might not be a major moon, but my unique shape sets me apart. I'm Hyperion, the largest non-spherical moon in the solar system. Most other moons notice how unique I am, but you've never acknowledged one that's not tightly locked to you, so I don't have to face you all the time. Thank the stars. That's how many now? 7 so far.
139 moons left.
That's a lot, I guess.
Saturn. What's Saturn? Snap out of it. What's up with you? What? Oh, Titan. Yeah, of course. See, I even know your name. You already knew his name. You only know his name. Tell me, Saturn, what's my name? You were the Star Wars one? Uh-huh. Mace Windu? Yes! How about more? Oh, I remember you. Megatron. Oh, I'm not even gonna ask. Enchilada! I hate you, Saturn! Saturn. What is it, Titan? Did I get one wrong? Oh, please tell me I didn't get one wrong.
You got all of them wrong. I knew it, Titan.
No, wait! I promise I can remember your names. Wasn't one of you named Ganymede? Wrong moon. Wrong planet. Wait, Titan, come on. Not you too. But I didn't get your name wrong. That's not the point. I don't even know how you keep missing it. Are we that trivial to you? I really tried this time. Maybe if we do this a couple more times. I don't think the other moons will like that. At least not anytime soon. Then what can I do? Just tell me. Just keep being you, I guess. Moon number 1, Titan. Moon number 2, Rhea. Moon number 3, Geppetto, Ea, Iapetus. Moon number 4. Princess Dione. No, just Ione. Okay. Moon number. So all of these moons and their planets were basically at each other's throats, ready to duke it out when I showed up. And I knew exactly what to do. I told them about how Charon and I...
You told them?
Okay. Charon helped. Maybe Charon did pretty much all of it. But we showed them how moons and planets aren't all that different. And dwarf planets too, of course. And then they stopped fighting. Wow. That's so cool, Pluto. You're actually a real hero. And Charon too, of course.
Yeah, Sharon. Good job. Seems you saved the solar system or whatever.
Yours at least. We're gonna...
What was that? Perhaps another dwarf planet? I'm sure we haven't found all of them yet. Dwarf planets, huh? Sounds like I'm in the right spot. What's up, dude? You finally decided to pay us a visit? Kinda. Oh, boy! Is this the moon with dwarf planet traits you told me about? Yeah, just the one. Don't worry, Maki gets really excited about anything new. I have so many questions!
Yeah.
He can answer those later. Well, what brings you here, man? Neptune sent you on vacation or something? Nah, just thought I'd stop by. Find others like me. Makes total sense. He'll fit right in. As long as you don't mind silly fantasy games. Are they more fun than babysitting moons? Much more fun, I promise. Then I'm in. Yay! No wonder you were giggling when you found us. Giggling? I don't giggle.
Many issues happen, so just don't worry.
When you found us. Giggling? I don't giggle.
There's probably series.
it, Triton! You're a dwarf planet like us, but you got pulled into planetary orbit. That's unheard of. Is that even possible? There's no reason why not. Neptune appears to have extremely strong gravitational forces. He sure does. He pulled us clean out of the Kuiper Belt. That's rough, buddy.
At least he didn't make us his moons. Otherwise, we'd be a double planet orbiting a planet.
Planetception! Okay, guys, enough. I'm a dwarf planet, and that's all there is to it. Well, you're kind of a moon. What, excuse me? The definition of a moon is essentially objects that spins around another object that isn't a star. While being a dwarf planet requires orbiting the sun. Plus the whole being spherical and not clearing your orbit thing. Wait. I'm not spherical. I'm elliptical. Am I not really a dwarf planet either? And I'm not orbiting a planet right now, so... Can we stop with the labeling? You all sound like the moons, and they all rebelled against their planets for
Wow,
this
man.
exact reason. Yeah, good point. I suppose that's fair. I'm glad to meet you regardless. You're a fascinating phenomenon. Is that supposed to be a compliment?
I don't think he even knows that.
Oh, on the topic of fascinating phenomena, I have been looking into one. I think he wants us to follow him.
Sounds about right. Come on, gotta make the most out of the time away from your planet, right?
Right. Triton, you coming? Yeah, sorry. There has been a strange gravitational phenomenon out in the Kuiper Belt for a while now. I thought we could check it out. What, like a field trip? Yes, exactly. Could be fun. After all, if the gravitational shift turns out to be meaningful, it could have devastating consequences for the Kuiper Belt.
Sorry, what do you mean by devastating?
Oh, you know, objects being pushed out of the solar system, new objects forming, destructive asteroid storms. Maybe we could even crash into each other and break apart. You have a strange definition of fun.
Wait, it's that giggle again.
I thought that was Triton. I told you I don't giggle. Oh, this is like our Dungeons and Dwarf Planets games, but in real life. Everyone stay still. Maybe it'll leave if we don't move.
When has that ever worked?
Never.
It's coming closer. All right, I'm getting sick of this. Come out, whoever you are. Yeah! If you want to crash into us, do it straight ahead.
Well, got it to stop. Good
a plan. Ooh,
Hey there. You wanna come out and talk to us?
talk to us.
I know it was series.
Oh, that's a surprise. Who are you?
Okay. Alright, that's it, guys. We're gonna watch part 4 soon. Bye bye.